make some methane. Now I'm going to make some methane for you here now, but it begs the question, I suppose, in a real mining situation, where does the methane come from? And the answer is it comes out of coal. To understand that, you need to understand what coal is. You probably already know what coal is. It's basically organic, what they call organic carbonaceous material, basically. It's a fossil at the end of the day. But it's made from all the stuff you see out those days. So what I'm going to do now is introduce a naked flame to the methane, just to show you exactly what happens.
Oh God. Yeah.
Dioxide that's been produced from the reaction. So now I'm going to show you the effects the carbon dioxide has on a naked flame. So the miner goes into the mine with his naked flame, his candle. What happens is, immediately, it will put the flame out. If you remember what I said, carbon dioxide, if we were in methane, we'd have gone and caused an explosion by now. This is my gauze. The gauze is more or less the same as the one in there. Obviously it's all very much larger. So if we put that on there now to show you what happens. To increase the flow, in this particular case air, but to increase the flow of gas in there, I'm going to spin this. And you'll see that the colour yellow will intensify, but also the flame will grow. And as I say, I've got a chart that I can compare what's going on to. So let's have a look, see if we can get that to work for you. There we go. There we go. So the yellow is more yellow, the size of the flame increases. I'm actually checking my chart while I'm looking at that. When it comes to an unacceptable level, then I'll evacuate the mine. Difficult to comprehend. You see there, they've got the yellow flame coming above the container. If I put that on, you can't see the flame. It's just gone out. Is it? Here we go, let's try that. So there you see the flame's not coming through. Then the flame is coming through there. So what I'm trying to say is the flame can't get through the gauze, but the gas can get into the flame. And then I'm going to scoop up some bubbles to show you what happens in fact when Nick goes into the mine.
Oh God.
And that's what happens. The gas is so volatile that it will burn off. The water will actually protect his skin, so he won't get burned. And what does that mean then? Well, it means that I can actually let the men and the boys in, they can start mining underground. All the horses and cars